Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys saw in the title, this wig is all about natural hair vibes, and it's definitely a look for my natural hair girls. And this beautiful 18-inch coily lace frontal wig is being sponsored by HerGivenHair. According to the description, this coily hair texture mimics a 3C through 4A hair texture. This wig did come with a pre-plucked hairline as well as bleached knots and a Swiss lace. And so with all that being said, not even gluing this wig down or doing anything to the hairline, I can already tell this wig is going to look super duper natural. So this beautiful wig is extremely thick, and I'm going in with my wax stick and I'm going to follow up with a hot comb just to press out the roots and the hairline on this wig, because I want this hairline to actually melt into my skin, and that's why I'm pressing out the hair. And as you notice, I'm not taking the hot comb all the way through my hair because I don't want the hot comb to disrupt the natural curl pattern in this wig. So I'm just only applying the hot comb on the roots and in the actual hairline. And so as you guys know, I don't really care for glue when it comes to securing my wigs down, but I have grown to like this method of using the Got To Be Glue hairspray and spraying that on my hairline and then going in with a blow dryer on low heat and letting that hairspray dry on the lace. And as you guys can see, it definitely gives a melted effect when you have a transparent lace. It just blends better into the skin. Now I'm not going to do any type of drastic baby hairs with this look. Again, I want to continue to give a natural hair look with this wig because of this beautiful coily texture that is in this hair. So I've pulled out a little bit of baby hairs and I'm going to go in with the Got To Be Glue gel, and I'm going to gel down my baby hairs. I prefer to use gel instead of mousse when it comes to doing my baby hairs on my curly wigs. It just looks better to me. It's just a preference thing. So and of course, I'm going to go in with a little bit of foundation on my part just to make sure this part does not get lost in all this beautiful thick curly hair. And before I actually style my hair, I'm going to tie my hair down just to make sure the lace melts better into the skin, and to also ensure that the lace and the hairline does not get wet while I am detangling this super thick curly hair. And as I'm running my fingers through my hair, I honestly feel like I'm running my fingers through my own hair. For a moment, I forgot that I'm actually rocking a wig right now because this texture feels so freaking natural. It is insane. So of course this is a very coily wig, so I have to go through by sections to detangle and define the curls on this wig as I would do with my own natural hair. So anytime you are purchasing a wig that is a thicker texture, that is geared towards natural hair, natural curl pattern, you're going to have a little bit of patience and knowledge with getting the best results out of your wig. So of course I am going in with a buttercream, which is by the Garnier Fructis, and before I do any type of detangling, I've already wet my hair as you guys saw in the video, and then I'm going in with this hair cream and I'm going to apply it to pretty much every strand in this section. And then once I have this section pretty much saturated, I'm going in with a brush to detangle this hair. And as you can see, as soon as I put the brush to this hair, these curls are just coming alive. Like, look at that. beautiful. And throughout the video, you will notice that I put way too much curling product in this hair. This hair does not require a whole bunch of product to detangle and get a beautiful curl pattern. I ended up noticing that after the first couple of sections. Now it does take a little bit more water to detangle it, but once you add that water and you detangle, you really don't have to add a whole bunch of product to this hair to get this hair popping. And so here I want to show you guys like a before and after so you guys can see a comparison of what the hair texture looks like once the curls have been defined compared to the original texture where the curls have not been defined. This wig texture just blows my mind at how soft it is and how much it mimics natural hair. Insane. And so this is what the hair looks like once everything has been defined and detangled. My hair is about 90% dry. Like I said, I put way too much product, so it's taking this hair a little bit longer to dry. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove the headband, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace, even though you can't even see the lace right now, but I'm cutting it off. And so now that I have the lace removed, I'm going to go ahead and fluff out the curls just a little bit, but trying my best not to disrupt the curls because this hair can get big and I don't want this hair to get frizzy or, too fluffy. So this is the look to this beautiful natural looking curly wig from HerGivenHair. This wig is absolutely beautiful. If you have natural hair and you know how to deal and style natural hair, you will absolutely love this wig. It is such a beautiful protective hairstyle. Everything that you need to know about this wig will be below in the description bar. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.